Nearly everyone, and especially when selling a home due to divorce, want to sell the home for the most money and think that they know how much they need to make the sale work. Well, often the I want and I need don't match up with what the market will pay because the market doesn't pay based on want or need. Buyers pay based on comparison. Now, we absolutely want to sell your home for top market value. And to do that, we created a plan based on three things. First, we pull the right comps, not kind of similar, but same school district, similar square footage, same style, condition, and sales in the last 30 to 60 days. And then we identify what buyers were choosing instead at each price point. Then we use a two-number test. What would your home sell for if we priced it aggressively? And what would it sell for if we priced it too high and had to chase the market later? That gap shows us the right target. And then we detail the plan, not a lecture, a pricing range, marketing, the exact launch strategy, and what we'd watch in the first 7 to 10 days, showings, feedback, online saves, and offers, clear checkpoints, no guessing. The benefit when we understand and agree what true market value is, when you attract the strongest buyers early, when your listing is freshest. That means more showings, better offers, and usually less negotiating on repairs and concessions because buyers feel they're competing, not rescuing an overpriced home. So the results for you? We price it at true market value, get offers more quickly with a cleaner contract and less stress. The right price didn't leave money on the table. It put the market to work for you. You see, you need certainty that the real estate team you bring in can be trusted to sell your home. Certainty that the selling needs that you understand and want will be satisfied, and certainty that the real estate team works smoothly with you and with your attorney and with the court. That's what Second Mile Service is all about. And that's what Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Miskin team, brings to you. Call me at 770-672-7832. Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Miskin team, and bring the advantage of certainty to your home sale.